The Indian government has told the Supreme Court that it has exhausted all possible diplomatic and legal options to save Kerala nurse Nimisha Priya from death row. Priya is to be executed in Yemen after being convicted of murdering a Yemeni national. The Indian government says it has reached the maximum extent of possible intervention in the case. Attorney General informed the top court that negotiations have been held in multiple levels, including through the public prosecutor, but efforts have not yielded any results. Further, the centre informed the top court that an influential sheikh was also approached to mediate, but that path failed to break the deadlock. Importantly, the Attorney General said informal communication was received indicating the execution could be put in abeyance. But as of now, there is no confirmation on that front. The remarks came during a hearing of a plea seeking government intervention in stopping the execution planned for July 16th. The plea was filed by an organization named Save Nimisha Priya International Action Council, which is a voluntary body attempting to coordinate efforts to save Priya. The petition mentioned that payment of blood money to the family of the deceased, permissible under Sharia law, can be explored. The court has adjourned the matter for July 18th, asking the parties to inform the court on the status. Priya, a nurse from Kerala, moved to Yemen in 2008 to financially support her aging parents. In 2015, she met her Yemeni business partner, Tala Abdul Mahdi. Later in 2017, Mahdi and Priya had a serious fallout. She was convicted of murdering Mahdi in 2018 and sentenced to death 2 years later. Her final appeal was rejected in 2023. Priya worked in multiple hospitals before opening her own clinic in 2015 with Mahdi, who was her local partner as mandated by law in Yemen. She is currently imprisoned in a jail in Sana'a, which is the capital of Yemen. And for the latest on this case, our Assistant Editor for Foreign Affairs, Sitan Sibol, reports from New Delhi.
Where the government said that they can't do anything much other than what has already been done. There's also the element of the blood money that needs to be paid to the family members of the person who is alleged to be killed by Nimisha Priya. Of course, we know that the person has been responsible for harassing of Nimisha Priya as well. This is a case that has been in the news for some time now, and we know that the Iranians had offered their help as well, but because of the ongoing conflict in West Asia, they were preoccupied with that. But of course, worries are mounting, especially in our home state Kerala, where of course there are concerns that Nimisha Priya could be executed later this week. But all in all, we know that these are the developments so far in the day, but each moment is very crucial to save Nimisha Priya. With video journalist Piyush Siddhant Sibal for WION in New Delhi.